ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I
Come in.
Hi guys, welcome to my house tour, so come in. The entrance right here, so when you come in, this stairs leads to upstairs right there, and look at that cute light fixtures. And this is the hallway. And it runs all the way through here. And the first room right here, we've got the bathroom. That is the guest bathroom. Get the heater. You have the living room right here, which is extremely large or big, and we already have some deliveries coming in, furniture and all that. This is what you're seeing. So a few deliveries are coming in, and right here you can see outside and the garden. And what I love most about this house is that the windows are so extremely big. Look at all those windows in the living room with one push, and you can open them. So that's the backyard, which has a lot to be done in the garden, and that door leads to the garage. This is the kitchen. Two windows. And in here we've got a pantry, and I love that the door slides. So that's a pantry, not too big, but yeah, it's got a window as well. Now let's go upstairs.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Heading upstairs, you have this empty space.
Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing.
She's going to be amazing. There's a whole lot of space in here, and as you come in, hi, this is the master bathroom.
Time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
That is the master bedroom right here, really big. And of course, we are overlooking the nature right here, which is so pretty.
This time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
Here we've got a balcony. You've got the kids running around. So you've got Mia's room. This is Mia's room. And on the other side of it, we have Aaron's bedroom right here. So from Aaron's bedroom, we've got This is John's bedroom right here. Super big. Extremely big. Here's the generator room, and walking through, we've got some stores, a storage space right here, so more deliveries are in here as well. So much space to store. Okay, and of course we've got another extra room right here. We're gonna figure out what these extra rooms are gonna be. And here we've got the laundry room. Still have a lot to be done in here. That is the laundry. Lots of videos are gonna be coming your way, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.